Today is Monday, December 31st. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac DeVille Convertible. A-pillar trim cover panels, left hand and right hand, and the header covers that go on either side of the rear view mirror. And this particular set has been restored and painted in the original color code 388 for 1967 and 1968 DeVille Convertible. And it's going to be shipping out tomorrow to my friend Phil out in Rome, Georgia. And the units have been cleaned, climatized, resurfaced, and resprayed in the beautiful period correct 388 trim code for the 1967 and 1968 DeVille Convertible. These are the metal trim variants, not to be confused with the vinyl variants used in 68 and the sedan DeVilles and the other models. So this will be shipping out to Phil as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 and 1968 Cadillac parts. And I restore the steering wheels for the 1967 and 68 Cadillac as well as the steering columns. Today is Monday, December 31st. Thank you very kindly.